Good morning. Welcome you all to our EduGuru channel for daily current affairs. Welcome back to EduGuru Daily Current Affairs. In today's session, we will discuss daily MCQ quiz, important national parks, state chief minister and governor. Let's start with quiz. Who has been appointed as the chairman of fintech company IBS Fintech in April 2020? Answer: Sailesh Haribhakti. Who has taken charge as the chairman and managing director of HUDCO? Answer: Sivadas Meena. Sivadas Meena takes charge as HUDCO, Housing and Urban Development Corporation Limited, as CMD. Who has been appointed as the Secretary of Department of Economics Affairs? Answer: Tarun Bajaj. How much billion loan has approved by Asian Development Bank for India to fight the coronavirus pandemic? 1.5 billion. The legendary actor Irfan Khan, who passed away at the age of 53 due to colon infection, was the winner of which national award? Padma Shri. Moody's has slashed India's growth rate estimate to dash percentage from for 2020 from 2.5 percentage in recent rate cut. Answer: 0.2%. We already discussed GDP growth rates of some organizations projected. According to UN, 4.8 percentage, ADB 4 percentage, ICRA 2 percentage, International Monetary Fund 1.9 percentage, S&P and Fitch Solutions 1.8 percentage, World Bank 1.5 to 2.8 percentage, Fitch Ratings 0.8 percentage, Confederation of Indian Industries 0.9 to 1.5 percentage. Which state has launched a unique initiative named Umbare Anganwadi to help children during lockdown? Answer: Gujarat. Which group of countries has launched the Access to COVID-19 Tools Accelerator initiative recently? G20 countries. Which telecom company has tied up with Paytm for Recharge Sati? Vodafone Idea. Which of the private sector bank has acquired additional 29% stake in Max Life Insurance for 1592 crores? Axis Bank. Which IIT under assistance of Design Innovation Center has developed a low-cost ventilator named as Rudhar? IIT Bombay. COVID Pharma mobile app is used to trace people buying medicines for fever, cold was launched by which state? Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh traced the people with this app COVID Pharma. World Veterinary Day 2020 is celebrated on April 25th. The theme is Environment Protection for Improving Animal and Human Health. Which country has lost the hosting rights of the 2021 Men's Boxing World Championship? Answer: India. Nokia has signed a deal of about $1 billion in order to enhance the network capacity of which company? Answer: Bharti Airtel. These are all today's MCQ. We will discuss some important national parks. Haryana, Kalesar National Park, Sultanpur National Park. Himachal Pradesh, Indrakila National Park, Great Himalayan National Park, Kir Ganga National Park, Pin Valley National Park, Simbalbara National Park. Jammu and Kashmir, Dachingham National Park, Hemish National Park, Kishtwar National Park, Salim Ali National Park. Yesterday we discussed some states, chief ministers and governors. The remaining will be discussed here. State Chief Minister, Governor. Madhya Pradesh, Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Governor Lalji Tandon. Maharashtra, Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, Governor Bhagat Singh Koshari. Manipur, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, Governor Nazma Heptullah. Meghalaya, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, Governor Tathagat Roy. Mizoram, Chief Minister Joram Tanga, Governor P.S. Sridharan Pillai. Nagaland, Chief Minister Nephew Rio, Governor R.N. Ravi. Odisha, Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik, Governor Ganeshi Lal. Punjab, Chief Minister Amarinder Singh, Governor V.P. Singh Badnor. Rajasthan, Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, Governor Kalraj Mishra. Sikkim, Chief Minister Prem Singh Tamang, Governor Ganga Prasad. Tamil Nadu, CM E. Palaniswamy, Governor Banwarilal Purohit. Telangana, Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao, Governor Tamilsai Soundararajan. Tripura, Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Dev, Governor Ramesh Bayas. Uttar Pradesh, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, Governor Anandiben Patel. Uttarakhand, Chief Minister Trivendra Singh Rawat, Governor Baby Rani Maurya. West Bengal, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, Governor Jagdeep Dhankad. That's all for today's current affairs and static GK. Thank you. Jai Hind. If you like this channel, then subscribe my channel for more updates. Please like, share, comment and subscribe EduGuru channel. Thank you all. Jai Hind.